How to add music to Messenger Note. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add music to your Messenger Note. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Messenger app. And once you open it up, on the left hand side at the top, you will see share a note option. Just go ahead and tap on it. And then you can see the music icon. Just go ahead and tap on it, and you will see a list of music that you can choose from. So just scroll down and find the music of your choice and tap on it, and you can choose the part of the song that you want to put in your story. So you can just slide it around, hit done, and now you can share your thought with the music in Messenger Note. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.